Hi, so here I am again with my chateau, and just to recap, I'm building this chateau in several stages. They're going to be in parts. I'm building a room here with 2 stories high, then this other room 2 stories high, and then the centre part. And then when I finish those 3, I'll start on the next 2 floors, and I'll build my towers up as I go as well. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. And the towers have all been 3D printed, and they've been glued together in strips, and that's working really well. And they're sitting on a turntable which spins them around, so you'll be able to see inside the tower in a minute. Okay, so now I've been working on the walls. I had a busy week. I'm doing my magazine, and I'm doing projects for the magazine, and I've done 2 workshops, 2 worksheets for you to actually download, and they are on the furniture in the basement bathroom. And I've been working on the walls. Now I just thought I'd bore you with a little bit of technical stuff with the building construction of these walls. I'm using 15 by 15 millimeter pine, or it's actually Canadian Oregon pine, and it's recycled, so it's all got no nails and stuff in it, but it's all hidden. And I'm using 4 millimeter foam board for both. They'll be both the sides of the walls. And so here I've left a whole big slot going right across the depth of the room for the floor, which will hold it nice and square. And also I left gaps over these to put the ceiling in, the foam board ceiling. And I've done the same up here, and I need another 2 supports up here doing the same thing. And this will be the door into the dining room when I've finished it. And so this is what I'm doing it like. And this is the side wall facing into the hall. I've got to make sure the front's flush, because it's going to upset things if I make it to get out too far. And this is the back wall, and that's going to sit. And these actually overlap the back a little bit for reasons that you'll find out later. And this has got an overlap here which fits around the back of that upright nice and neatly. So that works quite well. I mean, I haven't got it square at the moment, but it's just to show you. And so then I will do the lining last, but I'll do the lining before I even put everything together, so everything's lying flat when I do the doors and the wallpapers, etc. Now coming around this side will be a bit of a surprise, because this is going to be a swinging door. So you can open the door and you can see into this room, these rooms. And the front is going to be fixed, so it won't move at all. And so that is how it's going to fit together. So this is 2 floors, the kitchen and the dining room. And then Roger's going to come around and give you an idea of what it looks like inside the bathrooms for these 2 rooms. Now this, I'll just take, can I take that lid off? I can take that lid off a little bit. Best to try and get into it, Roger, if you can. So it's got a sink. It's got pegs for them to hang their clothes and cloths on. And it's got, I'll just shift those wires, and it's got a little toilet with a cistern, all ready to go. I should put some newspaper there too, because I used to wipe their bottoms on newspaper or rags. And then coming up, you've got the toilet and bathroom for the dining room, which is going to be a bit more flasher. And I have yet to do the furniture on that. And so these spin round then. So in the finished state, when you're looking at the chateau, you'll be seeing the towers like that. And when you want to have a look inside them, you turn the towers around. And that is working quite well. That is a theory that worked quite well for me. So just to remind you about the worksheets, and also I shall be back again in about a week, because it's taken me a week to do all this. It's quite time consuming because I'm cutting the wood myself. And I'll catch up with you then.